Hello and welcome back to Mystery Systems. Today I'll show you how you can use the snipping tool in Windows. This can be used for taking screenshots in Windows, and you can take screenshots of whatever you would like. The easiest way to access it very quickly is on your keyboard. You press down the Windows button and the Shift and the S. Then you get in here. There's 4 modes you can use. There's the rectangular snip and the freeform snip, and then the window snip and the full screen snip. I usually use the rectangular snip and the full screen. I haven't used these two. The rectangular snip is wherever you drag your mouse and you click it. Then you can fill out whatever you would like to have a screenshot of in this rectangular thing. So let's say I would like a screenshot of this. Then I'd get a screenshot of that. I could go to Google, and I can use the little fast shortcut with Windows Shift S. Now I'm in here again, and I can take a screenshot of that. It's only you who set the barrier for whatever you would not have a screenshot of. And we can try it with the full screen. Then it'll just take an instant full screen of what there is. So here it is. And it will automatically save these screenshots. So you can just go to whichever, let's say a Word document, and you can just paste it in. Here you go. That's what I just recently took. So yeah, and as if you have seen my copy paste history, or the the clipboard, you can press down the Windows and the V, and then you can see all the screenshots it has taken in here, and it will store them in here for you. There is another option as well to access it. This is going down to your Windows button. You can type in the snipping tool, and now we're in here. In here you can actually set, there's a bit more things you can actually do. Now you can actually set a delay, and this can be good in some cases that you would like to have this delay. So you could, let's say, 3 seconds, and then you can click new. So when I have clicked new, it will take the screenshots only after 3 seconds. And I actually think it appears to do this if you use the fast method as well. I guess it does, I'm not sure. Let's say we're going to say Windows Shift S. Okay, it does not do it on the fast shortcut, but as well in here, if you would like to have some more management over it, because in here when you have taken the picture, it will just appear in here, and if you use the shortcut, it will appear here. So you, like, I'll just show you for fast, then it will appear like this, so you have to click it before. And in here you actually have the options to, if you would like to draw anything like colors on the screenshot you have taken, and you can change the color up here on the size of how thick this thing should be that you're coloring with, and you can erase it again. So yeah, and when you have the screenshot in here, you can save it up here as save as, and then you'll just find a path for it wherever you would like to store it on your Windows device. I think that's actually about it, what you can do with it, and that's just how to get the basics on the right plane for you, so you can start out with it. It's a very easy thing to now make screenshots in Windows. So I hope this video has been informative and has helped you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.